Our 2023 Hyundai VENUE Preferred is ready to make your every drive feel like a hug on wheels. Packed with must-have features like heated seats for chilly mornings, a remote start for ultimate convenience, a rear camera to make parking a breeze, and blind spot monitoring to keep you confident on the road. Add in stylish alloys and the peace of mind from the factory warranty, plus our exclusive 12-month Huggable Guarantee, and you've got a ride you'll love. At Jim Gilbert's, every vehicle comes with a full tank of gas, because your adventure should start right away. Affordable, reliable, and designed for your every need, this Hyundai Venue fits your lifestyle and your budget. With full financing options, zero down, and our Love Your Trade promise, there's never been an easier way to get behind the wheel. Don't forget to spin to win up to $500 in free gas. Give us a chance to earn your business and experience our huggable difference today.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya.